Welcome to this video on the automated video production pipeline. This masterclass will show you how to integrate NotebookLM, Gemini, and Google Vids to create a cohesive and automated asset engine for your video production needs. Our pipeline consists of 3 core stages. Stage 1 uses NotebookLM to synthesize sources into scripts. Stage 2 utilizes Gemini as a creative bridge for visual structures. And Stage 3 leverages Google Vids as the master production studio to unify your assets. Each tool plays a specialized role. NotebookLM acts as the content core, Gemini serves as the bridge for formatting and prompting, and Google Vids functions as a central assembly studio, delivering your final synchronized MP4 files. Let's begin with Phase 1, Content Generation. This phase focuses on configuring your baseline scripts and establishing pacing layouts within NotebookLM. To optimize your script pacing, formulate your inputs with clear instructions. Most importantly, always select the "presenter slides output style." Choosing a standard deck can lead to issues like audio loops or gaps in your video timeline. To bypass PPTX watermarks, follow this 4-step process. Export your draft from NotebookLM, upload the file to Gemini, trigger the slide deck generation, and finally, export the cleaned result to your Google Drive. Phase 2 covers custom avatar design. Here, we use translation modeling and specific iterative cycles to create professional digital speakers for your content. When prompting custom avatars, use Gemini as your editing architect. By supplying your target reference profile and a UI screen capture, Gemini can generate precise parameters for style, lighting, and attire that you can use directly in Google Vids. Remember the golden rule of avatar architecture. Use refinement cycles to improve results. Keep profiles specific to your project files, and always maintain a master template file to ensure consistent access to your actors. Phase 3 is all about asset assembly and timeline management, where we combine our clean slides, customized avatars, and audio into a final video. During assembly, use these crucial settings. Import your slides to preserve pacing, disable all animations to maintain timing control, and mute the primary narration track to prevent echo effects on your avatar's voice layer. Finally, manage your canvas scaling by utilizing picture-in-picture mode for lists or full-screen takeovers for important conceptual statements. Once satisfied, download your production-ready MP4 for distribution. This checklist summarizes the key tasks for each phase: generating content, designing your avatar profiles, and assembling the final timeline. Reference this to ensure your production stays on track. We have reached the end of this video. We hope you are now ready to begin automating your own corporate video production pipeline.